Hello traders, welcome to today's video on Uni Cross Indicator for MT4. These two plots color coded arrows on the chart based on its internal T3 and TMA calculations, so you can visually see where its trend change conditions have been met without cluttering the screen. Now I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see on the chart, the Uni Cross Indicator draws up and down arrows directly on your price chart with colors distinguishing bullish from bearish conditions. Bullish arrows appear below the price action when the underlying T3 and TMA logic detects a potential shift toward upward movement, while bearish arrows appear above the price action facing downward when the logic shifts toward downward movement. Because the chart only shows arrow, you get a clean view of where the indicator has flagged possible turning point or continuation areas according to its rules. Uh, let's move over to the settings. When we go over to the settings, we have the T3 period, T3 price. The T3 period controls the look back period or look back length of the T3 moving average used inside the indicator, affecting how quickly or slowly it reacts to price changes. T3 price defines which price source, such as close and open or typical price, is used for the T3 calculation, while T3 hot adjusts how responsive that T3 component is, influencing the smoothness versus sensitivity of its output. We have the TMA half cycle that sets the half cycle length for the TMA portion of the logic, shaping how the TMA reacts to swings. And we have the TMA price, which defines which price source feeds into the TMA calculation. Together, these parameters govern when and where the Uni Cross logic decides to print new arrows. It also has the alerts, such as sound, email, and other alerts. Now we can adjust the color of the arrows and the thickness or width. Let's move forward. Who is it for and what are its limitations? This Uni Cross indicator suits traders who want a visual arrow-based representation of combined T3 and TMA conditions without plotting multiple moving averages on the chart. It remains a derived lagging tool built on moving averages, so arrows can appear late, repaint under certain settings, or fire frequently in choppy markets. It should therefore be used alongside independent analysis, key levels, and strict risk management rules, rather than as a stand-alone system. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. You can also read more about the Uni Cross Indicator MT4, see example charts, and explore additional usage ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.